Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Crazy Tech Gadgets channel, where we dive into the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have something truly special new tech gadgets to share with you. Introducing the Tank 3 Pro, a powerhouse in your pocket. This 23800 mAh 5G rugged smartphone isn't just a phone, it's a complete multimedia experience with a built-in DLP projector. Equipped with cutting-edge 5G technology, and powered by the advanced Dimensity 8820 octa-core chipset, the Tank 3 Pro delivers lightning-fast network speeds and seamless multitasking. Enjoy your favorite games, movies, and educational apps on a brilliant 120Hz 6.79-inch FHD display designed for immersive viewing. The built-in DLP projector with full-time manual focus lets you cast from your phone to a large screen, effortlessly adjusting brightness and clarity for the perfect visual experience. With 512GB of massive storage, capture every moment with the impressive 200MP primary camera. Stay cool under pressure with the real physical fan and advanced heat dissipation system, keeping your Tank 3 Pro running smoothly. Navigate your adventures with confidence using GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, and Galileo systems. Capture every detail with the main, night vision, wide-angle, and telephoto cameras. Designed for outdoor adventurers, the Tank 3 Pro features a camp light with 3 adjustable brightness levels and 2 flash modes, perfect for any dark setting. Built tough with IP68 rated splash, water, and dust resistance, and a shockproof design, the Tank 3 Pro is ready for any challenge. Elevate your entertainment, work, and gaming experiences with the Tank 3 Pro. It's more than a smartphone. It's your ultimate rugged multimedia companion. Unlock the future of home security with the Smart Lock U100, your key to a smarter, safer home. Fully supporting Apple Home and Home Key, the U100 lets you unlock your door with just a tap of your iPhone or Apple Watch, even when they're out of power. The built-in high-precision fingerprint reader stores up to 50 fingerprints, ensuring quick and secure access for you and your family. The matte keypad allows entry with permanent, periodic, and one-time passwords. Check your lock status anytime with the Aqara Home app. The built-in gyroscope enables auto-locking as soon as the door closes, providing peace of mind. Seamlessly integrate with Matter, Google Home, Alexa, and more, making it easy to include the U100 in your smart home automations. Built to last, the U100 complies with BHMA Level 3 safety standards and boasts an IP65 rating, ensuring durability even in extreme weather conditions. In emergencies, the U100 supports mechanical keys and USB-C emergency charging, ensuring you're never locked out. The high-precision fingerprint reader offers a 98.6% accuracy rate, storing up to 50 fingerprints locally. The anti-peep password feature allows you to add random digits to your passcode, protecting it from prying eyes. Enhance your home security and convenience with the Smart Lock U100, your key to a smarter, safer home. Introducing the world's first beer fridge with built-in air conditioning, MeetMesa. It's not just a fridge, it's an unstoppable cold beverage supply station, no matter where you are. MeetMesa delivers the ultimate entertaining experience, allowing you to enjoy cool beverages with friends this summer and create unforgettable moments effortlessly. With a 20L built-in refrigerator, MeetMesa can hold up to 30 cans, excelling in its primary role as a refrigerator bar. Never worry about running out of ice again. MeetMesa's built-in ice maker ensures a constant supply, keeping your beverages frosty and your guests happy. Craft your ideal social environment with integrated full-channel speakers and 7 RGB ambient lights. Plus, it has a bug-repellent feature to keep pests away. MeetMesa's full-channel speaker system sets the mood for any occasion, whether it's a lively backyard party or a movie night under the stars. Enjoy high-quality sound that elevates your outdoor entertainment Extend your workspace outdoors with MeetMesa's interchangeable power station, fostering creativity amidst the natural ambience of your yard. Spice up your outdoor gatherings and create unforgettable moments with MeetMesa, your ultimate companion for every summer adventure. Discover more about MeetMesa and make your summer gatherings extraordinary. Introducing the Lightphone 3, a phone designed to empower you to become the most thoughtful and intentional version of yourself. In a culture full of distractions, the Lightphone 3 makes it easier to go light. Featuring a durable metal frame, USB-C, and fingerprint ID for secure, easy access, the Lightphone 3 is built to last. It's designed to receive meaningful software updates without the need for constant upgrades. With 5G, an NFC chip, a flashlight, and a clickable wheel, the Lightphone 3 is packed with modern essentials to keep you connected, yet focused. Inspired by point-and-shoot film cameras, the Lightphone 3 has a dedicated two-step shutter button, center focus, and fixed focal length, allowing you to capture life's moments with simplicity and ease. Designed with repairability in mind, it features an accessible battery and easy-to-replace screen and USB port, ensuring longevity. Committed to sustainability, the Lightphone 3 uses Sony's recycled plastic for its battery cover and speaker grille, making it an eco-friendly choice. The Lightphone 3 is a phone that empowers you to live intentionally, stay connected, and embrace simplicity. Experience the freedom of going light. Discover more about the Lightphone 3 and make the shift to a more intentional lifestyle. Introducing the Ordro M5, the ultimate 5K vlog camera that will transform your storytelling. Welcome to the future of vlogging. Say goodbye to grainy videos and hello to breathtaking 5K visuals. The M5 ensures every detail is captured with unparalleled clarity, elevating your content to new heights. The M5 redefines vlogging with its cutting-edge 5K resolution and 3-axis stabilizer that eliminates shake and jitter for smooth, focused footage every time. Experience the convenience of an industry-leading 3.5-inch touchscreen. It's like having a mini TV right at your fingertips. Imagine yourself on a cliff, capturing every detail of the stunning panorama with the M5's 120-degree ultra-wide-angle lens, offering depth and breadth like never before. Even in low-light conditions, the M5's night vision feature ensures your scenes come to life, bringing magic to every shot. No more blurry shots. The M5's smart tracking technology keeps moving subjects sharp and focused in every frame. The M5 is a compact vlog camera that operates remotely, featuring a gimbal camera for all your filming needs. Lightweight and controllable via the Ordro Cam app, it enables precise framing for smarter filmmaking. Capture your life with the ultimate 5K vlog camera, the Ordro M5. Elevate your vlogging experience and immerse your audience in every moment. Start creating captivating content like never before. We're super excited to introduce the game-changing Hello Doorbell by Anyfree, a solar-powered smart home security solution that's about to make your life a whole lot easier. Say goodbye to outdated doorbells and hello to the future. The Hello Doorbell brings you convenience, top-notch security, and a touch of elegance all in one. Powered by Wi-Fi Halo technology, this doorbell guarantees optimal security, penetrating through 4 solid walls and delivering signals 100 times stronger than your average Wi-Fi, with an impressive range of up to 1 kilometers. Thanks to its advanced 24 GHz wave radar, the Hello Doorbell detects motion with precision, activating within just 0.5 seconds. Every time someone rings the doorbell or triggers motion detection, it records audio and video, storing the footage locally or in the cloud. Worried about power? Don't be. The Hello Doorbell uses flexible solar charging technology, efficiently converting light from the sun or LED sources into power, ensuring uninterrupted service all year round. Incoming calls go directly to your phone, letting you answer or initiate audio and video calls from anywhere in the world. How convenient is that? And it doesn't stop there. With infrared night vision, the Hello Doorbell records clear, high-quality 1080p FHD video, ensuring your home is monitored day and night. The Hello Doorbell is more than just a doorbell. It's the ultimate upgrade to your home security and convenience. We have something truly revolutionary to share with you. The world's first AI interpreter hub, the X1 by Timekettle. Imagine effortlessly breaking language barriers in any situation, from business meetings to social gatherings. The X1 adapts to your needs, ensuring smooth communication every time. Timekettle's groundbreaking bi-directional simultaneous interpretation technology makes multilingual, multi-user translation and conferences a breeze. The X1 supports up to 5 languages and allows 20 users to engage in translated conversations seamlessly. Forming translation subnets has never been easier. Connect up to 20 devices online or offline with just a touch. Users can join these networks using a meeting code, ensuring everyone stays connected no matter where they are. No more crosstalk disruptions, thanks to BoostClean's multidirectional VNC noise reduction technology. Multiple people can speak simultaneously without any interference. It's like having a dedicated translation team by your side. With the X1's global connectivity feature, you can enjoy seamless cross-regional communication. Remote voice calls and meetings are now more convenient with real-time interpretation, making it feel like everyone is in the same room. The X1's portability and bidirectional interpretation allow for easy one-on-one conversations. Just take out the earbuds, and you're ready to understand and express yourself effortlessly, no matter where you are. Unlock the power of seamless communication with the X1 AI Interpreter Hub. Say goodbye to language barriers and hello to a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching.